It's officially day 5 of Prismatic Evolution's mini tin display opening, and we are going to go with a little bit of Espeon. Let's go. All right, Espeon, let's see what kind of magic you can bring me. Hope you guys are enjoying the series. We've gotten some killer hits so far. If you haven't seen them, go back and watch them. This mini tin display has been absolutely fantastic. So I hope you guys are enjoying. Hit that like and subscribe button while you're at it. Got some killer content on the way. Special for you guys as always. Applin, Goldeen, Hoot Hoot, Suicune, Bronzong, Ogre's Mask. Okay, we got a Sneasel Pokeball. Wow, yesterday got the Master Ball for that. Hobbenberry, so that definitely helps out with the Master Set. Definitely helps. Aromatice, Noibat, Black Belt's Training, Slowpoke, Crispin, Bronzong, Techno Radar, Bunnery, Fluttermane, and a Roaring Moon Hollow. That's okay. At least we got something. Alright guys, like and subscribe.